Hey guys, need a little bit more parking space here in the new yard. I got a couple piles of gravel. My father's bringing the Bobcat in, and we're going to start off by making a parking pad and then probably end up starting a driveway that wraps around the back side of the garage. Follow along, we'll see where we get to with this. I don't know if we're going to have enough material to extend the driveway out through the fence here, but in preparation, I'm going to take the impact gun and get this cross brace and then peel the fence material back. So I think all we have to do is pop these staples out and we should be able to fold this fence back. I don't want to cut it off just yet. Might end up making a gate out of it or something along those lines. Anyways, let me put you guys on a stand and I'll see if I can pop these fence staples out of here. I decided to fire up the lawnmower and trim the grass. Not because I'm all that concerned about what the grass looks like, but that's a good way to tell my father, the Bobcat operator, where he needs to peel up sod. Up at the front there, the cut grass is a little bit wide from what I'm looking to accomplish. Basically, you can see the gravel that spills off the driveway, and we're going to continue on alongside the garage. We don't want to build it up too high so that we dump water in on the garage floor, but we want to build a good solid road bed here. Bobcat should be along any minute. I'll bring you guys back once we've got it here and we're ready to start moving some gravel. This granular B seems to pack pretty nice. That's what we're putting it down for. Doing the backplating here so that we can have a nice smooth surface before we start putting the granular A down top layer. Well guys, there we go. We've got a nice gravel parking pad set up. Not exactly sure which piece of my equipment we're going to have parked on this for the winter, but that is the plan. Still a little bit more work to do up here, and got about twice as much gravel as I needed. The good news is we've got the gravel and we've got a place to put it. In behind my garage, we've got this pile of wood And I like to keep some of it. I've got a fire pit that'll probably get used in the fall. I'll definitely be able to use a little bit of this, but there's lots more here than I'm ever going to need. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is loading this on my trailer, take it up to my father because he heats with wood, and I'm going to put a nice gravel parking pad in behind the garage as well. A couple little things that we've learned doing this project. The plain bucket on this light little Bobcat 553 is one of the lighter machines they make, and just didn't have the weight to dig into the grass and chew it up with the smooth bucket. There's no teeth on this bucket. And what we found was do a few donuts with the Bobcat and tires chew up the ground nicely. Then it's a piece of cake to scoop up the sod and get it off. I got a couple of good piles of sod that we'll use to level out some of the back. There's a few dips in the backyard that would be much easier to mow the grass on if they were flatter. And we'll continue on with part 2 of this little project. I don't know if I'm going to record it. I don't know whether you guys enjoyed watching the Bobcat running around. If the video does well, I'll record part 2. If not, well, I'll show you the finished product in a future video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Greatly appreciate you taking the time to watch. Maybe give me one of those thumb up things, like, and if you haven't already done so, why don't you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, and you'll get more content from Doug's Messy Garage in your YouTube stream. Thanks for watching.